It's a commonly known fact that the food allergens can affect digestion to lead to allergic reactions in a human body. The symptoms of food allergy are highly prominent in children, making it tough for parents to know exactly which foods are best suitable for their kids. Research shows that every 1 in 10 people in the world is allergic to some allergens, like gluten, soy, or even eggs, and has been sometimes known to cause life-threatening health disorders as well. With about 400,000 school children in the US alone showing signs of allergy to peanuts, the problem is glaring, and no definite solution has been found. Even the food manufacturers, food safety inspectors, and restaurant owners have found it hard to carry out expensive laboratory tests for days, which requires an investment of your own. But not anymore. Through the efforts of researchers and scientists at MooAnalytica at the University of Guelph, we have finally developed biosensors for food safety, veterinary health, and biomedical applications that will identify allergens like peanuts, gluten, and parts of seafood or eggs within a matter of minutes. Our new wallet-size detector allows for on-location testing with expedited allergen reporting to make sure that allergic results can be reduced significantly. All you need to do is take a small amount of the suspected food item, liquefy it, and put it in our food tool for the allergen test. Once the sample passes through tiny tubes of the microfluidic chip inside the device, it's exposed to a beam of light from an LED source which is monitored through an inbuilt camera. The camera then deciphers a result in just 10 minutes to provide an exact report of all the allergens present in the sample. Save lives and reduce hospital visits due to food safety issues by using our low-cost, pocket-friendly sensors. Start your journey from reactive to proactive and improve your quality of life. Support our research and development using agricultural nanotechnology. Visit us at bionanolab.ca.